It's because I don't want to end up singing my beautiful song under a last standing tree. I don't want to paint a last dead tree or dance along the dead creek. I have to go down. I have to go up there, organize community, proper organization, proper engagement, so that you will become a partner for the reforestation project to become successful. Yeah, because, we want the people to be custodian of the creation. We are protecting the future of our next generation. As an artist, I had enough. I've been to different big performances. The forest is our pharmacy. The forest is our school. The forest is our marketplace, our hospital, our altar. But sa may naitabo, ang mga listeners, they also write songs. They did not try to collect garbage.
Yeah.
Nakalimot sila the role of human helping the birds for a see this person. That's why hinalang ko mo baba. I don't care. I refuse all the offers outside to work there, having the big offers, because I want to protect the next generation. Money is not. Money is useless.
Yeah.
If you don't have a beautiful environment, what's money for? So that's my role, hoping people would understand. Beyond this beauty, there is the topsoil is the most important part of the soil. If we cannot protect the topsoil, we cannot protect our future. We only live once.
Yes.
Yeah. And para sa ako, I will do what is important. Nakita na ako, na mo niya ang important. So, muna akong buwan. Muna nga na ako din. Supporting the cooking. Because I know, beyond this, there is a bigger vision.